I'm recording this now because this is your homework for mathematics tonight, because you don't have your standard maths homework tonight. So I'm giving you some now. I'm going to actually upload this to the blog underneath the homework just for 5B. And what you're going to do for me tonight, it should take you about 15 minutes or so, is you're going to create for me a probability line. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you a little lesson in a box right now. Probability line. And you're going to just make it about your school day. Oh no, let's make it about a weekend. I think that's more fun. Let's make it about Saturday. Probability line Saturday. And this is how a probability line works, thank you. If you're on your technology, you can come and bring it out the front in about 1 second. Nobody? Good. Guys, a probability line just looks like this. For those of you who know already, I apologise, but I want you to all do this tonight. You have 0 probability down the bottom, and it goes all the way up to 1. Now, can anybody tell me what 0 means when we talk about probability? Do you know what it means, Marlena? Yeah, it means it's never going to happen. It is impossible. It's never going to happen, right? And what about when we get all the way up to 1? Can you tell me, Austin? It's absolutely certain. That's great. So, guys, I want you to make a probability line with regards to this Saturday. And of course this will be about halfway, and I want you to list events on there that will be, you know, never probable to like never to a little bit probable to like maybe to half a chance, more than half a chance, quite likely, and to all the way to certain. For example, if I'm doing my weekend, it might look a bit like this. I would say it is a certain probability that I will be woken by my son, who comes in and grabs my leg every morning. Woken by son, so that's quite certain on my Saturday. Can anybody tell me what's very unlikely, in fact never, will not happen? It has got a 0 chance of happening. Andrew? I will have no sleep. Sometimes that happens. Let's not put that down. Yes, good one. As a parent of young children, I will have, yes, unbroken sleep. That won't happen. Good one, Andrew. That won't happen. I think your parents will also sympathise with that, of course, because you have babies and whatnot crying. What's about a 50-50 chance on my weekend of happening? About a 50-50 chance. What do you think? Thank you, Christos. Might have a picnic. Can I be fair, Christos? That's pretty unlikely, but I'm actually going to put it down here. I'm going to put it down there. Maybe a quarter of a chance would have a picnic. Okay? For the Burns family, we probably don't do that much. Picnic. Now, for those of you who want to, I'm happy for you to add increments of probability along the probability line. So, for example, if this is 0 and this is 1, what should be in the middle? In the middle, think decimals. Think decimals. What should be in the middle? Nicole? Yeah, I'm looking for a decimal digit. Yeah, 0.5. And so just above that should be 0.6. Then, okay. Okay. So tell me something, for example, that is going to have 0.9 probability. It's really likely, but it's not certain for my weekend. It's really likely, but it's not certain. We should have done this about a student. I apologise. I've made it about me. I should have done it about a student. Really likely, but not certain. What do you think, John? Yeah, that's really likely, but not certain. I could almost put certain, actually. But let's say it's really likely. I'll be marking student work, okay? Now, that's great. I'm going to stop there because that is your homework for tonight. That should take you at least 15 minutes. I do want you to have an event along all the way along the probability line, all the way from 0, or 1, all the way down through 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, all the way down to 0. Are there any questions? I want this done in your homework book for you. For you, it should be personalised. Are there any questions? One question, yes. We don't do every percentage, but I do want something at every point along the R probability line. Does that make sense? Yep. Okay. Right, and I think I'll probably stop recording. Thank you. How are we going?